my Whoop friends, the Whoop in this video is the Meteor 75 Pro from Betafpv, but not in the stock version, in my butterfly FPV version with some modifications. For example, some holes in the canopy as well as in the frame to make it lighter, direct soldered motor cables to the board without motor plugs, AWG20 main cable, ET 2.0 main connector, titanium motor screws, tiny Whoop pinch cam, as well as an OVX300 VTX from Happy Model. That's about it. I do have some videos about those modifications and some other videos on my channel. Please check them out.